Hi there everyone, this is Joe from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au with another episode in our How to Invest in Gold series. Head over to youtube.com/bullionnow to hit the big red subscribe button to join the family and of course watch the entire How to Invest in Gold series playlist. But before you do, if you're a beginner in investing in precious metals, we need to talk about two key pieces of terminology that you need to understand before you can continue on in your journey. And we're going to ask, what is spot price and what is premium? Let's start with spot price. When you're speaking to us on the phone or you walk into your own local bullion dealer, you're going to be hearing the word or the phrase spot price. Spot price has gone up today. Spot price has gone down today. We charge X amount over spot price for this particular product. What do we mean? It's really, really simple. Spot price is just a fancy way or a different way of referring to the market price of the precious metals. That's pretty much it. The market price of the precious metals is traded just like shares are on the stock exchange. They're bought and sold every single minute, so as you can see, the price is going up and down. This is during market opening hours, which is Monday to Friday, and then closed over the weekends, exactly like the stock market. That's pretty much it. When we say spot price, we're just referring to the market price. That's really all you need to know about that. But if you do want to know, what is spot price right now? What's the market price of the metals? I can give you a couple of different websites that we recommend that you use. The first one would be here, the kitco.com/market website. So go to kitco.com/market right there. And what you need to do is you go down and find the market that is open at the time. So this market's not open. You can see market is closed, but this market right here, the world spot price, Asia, Europe, New York markets, is open right now. On the left-hand side of this table, you can see different denominations. You can choose whatever denomination you like, and it will change, as you can see right there. But let's go back to Australian dollars because we are based in Australia right here. And you can choose the different sizes. Now, in the bullion industry, we generally use the 1 troy ounce size, the troy ounce size, and the kilo size. There's a difference between a troy ounce and a regular cooking ounce, so maybe just do a Google search what the difference is, but basically you need to know a troy ounce is 31.1 grams. Okay, but as you can see, you can choose different sizes. So let's choose the ounce. And right here, the table is very easy. You can see gold in Australian dollars in ounce size is currently $2,474.87. And as you saw just a second ago, it just changed again because it's going up and down while the market is open. You might notice here there's two different tables. There's the bid price, the two different columns, bid price and the ask price. We use the ask price when quoting prices to you, the customer. We can touch upon what the bid price is later on in another video, but for now, let's just focus on the ask price, $2,474.87 as of right now. That is the spot price. Now, if you want an easier way to check out the spot price, I'll actually get you to head over to our website, bullionnow.com.au. We have a product on our website called Unallocated. If you scroll down here and click on Unallocated, it's a product that is available to you to purchase. I'll put a link above right now to our unallocated playlist. It explains what our unallocated program is, how it works. Watch all those videos. But we only charge spot price for unallocated gold, platinum, and silver as well. So because we charge spot price, you can actually just easily go to our website, go to the unallocated section, and you can just see that's spot price as of right now, $2,475.80 for 1 ounce of gold. Now, the keen observer has noticed that there's been a slight difference in the pricing. That could be one of two reasons, because the price may have just moved in the last 30 seconds to a minute that we've spoken. But also, you have to understand that not every single spot price market is exactly the same at exactly the same time. They do vary a little bit, maybe a few cents or $1 here and there. So you'll see here $2,474.87. But our unallocated price, the spot price here on our website is $2,475. It's just because there's a little bit of variance in the market. Again, just like stocks or shares. So that is what is spot price covered. Very easy to understand. Now we need to talk about what is premium? Pretty easy to understand. Premium is any dollar value over the spot price that you're seeing on a bullion dealer's website, whether it's ours or anyone else's. So for example, you see that spot price there, as I mentioned before. Let's go back actually. Spot price right now, $2,475.80 for 1 ounce of gold. But when we go to our retail price, you're going to see it's going to be higher than spot price because we need to make some money. So we need to charge a certain dollar value over spot price for our particular product so we can make a profit. Now, any dollar value over spot price is the premium. That is really it. Premium just refers to any dollar value over spot price. Now, premium can change, and it does change. It's not a one-size-fits-all. Premium changes depending on whether it's gold or silver, depending on the brand of the gold or silver, and depending on the particular coin or bar itself. We charge different premiums over spot price for different sizes, for different brands, and for different metals. So to give you an example, let's take a look right here. This one, the New Zealand Mint Star Wars Darth Vader 1 ounce gold coin. This was a special one that the New Zealand Mint brought out semi-recently for the Star Wars, obviously for Star Wars, and the Darth Vader coin right here. You can see that we're charging $2,675.80. Now, when I showed you spot price before, spot price based on our website, $2,475.80. So if you just do the subtraction, you can see that our premium that we charge for this 1 ounce New Zealand Mint Darth Vader gold coin is $200. That's it. So the premium that we charge is $200. Makes sense? Any dollar value over spot price. Now, I'll show you where premium does change. So that's a 1 ounce gold coin from the New Zealand Mint. Now let's find something like a 1 ounce gold bar, something like that. Let's see if we can find, here's a 1 ounce gold bar right here. So we charge $2,525.80 for locally produced 1 ounce gold. As you can see, it is exactly the same thing. It is 1 ounce of gold right here, and this is 1 ounce of gold, except the premium is less for this particular brand, this particular product. It's a bar, not a coin. This particular coin, it's got a beautiful design on it. It's from the New Zealand Mint. There's different wholesale costs involved, so that's why the premiums are different. That's all it really means. Premium is whatever we charge over spot price, and the premiums do change. Now, we're going to be talking about difference in premiums. We're going to talk about the different sizes that you can buy and how the premiums are affected, etc. in upcoming videos. So that's really all you needed to know. What is spot price? You now know what that is. What is premium? You understand what that is, and you can move forward in the series. If you do need to talk to us, please head over to our website, bullionnow.com.au. Go down to the bottom and you'll see our contact details to call us in Australia. You've got our email address down here, and you can come and visit us in the store. We're happy to talk to you anytime if you want an even more in-depth explanation of what spot price is and what premium is, if this hasn't cut it for you in this particular video, but we think you've probably got the idea right now. So head over to youtube.com/bullionnow, hit the big red subscribe button, and continue your journey in our How to Invest in Gold series. Thanks very much for watching. Take care, and we'll speak to you soon.